Hello, Dolly. Pretty girl. That's what you just said? Yeah, Dolly. I just turned the TV down. I'm sorry, because you were talking. You were talking. You said, hello, Dolly. Pretty girl. Yeah, you did. And I thought, okay, well, let's have a conversation about that. So, we're watching Friends right now. You like this show as well, don't you? Oh, are you going to have a stretch? Oh, that must feel good. Yeah, big stretch. A little stretch. Okay. Look at you all fluffy and fluffed up. You're so cute. So cute. Oh, that's awfully loud, Dolly. Just before you were talking, you like to play this game with me, don't you? Have a chat and then I get the phone. You're a naughty bird. You're not a naughty bird. You're a funny bird. Yeah. You tell the good people. Say hello, good people. Hello, good people. Okay. Alrighty then. Sometimes you just gotta say what you're gonna say. Alright, well, that was a long one. That was more than a gecko. You were just on a roll and fair enough. Hello. Yes, you are a pretty girl. Oh, why are we getting loud? Do you want me to? Uh-huh. Why, thank you, darling. He'll give me a little wolf whistle there. That's cute. Thank you, darling. Oh, and you're stopping for a scratch. Fair enough. Would you like to say anything else? Because it's late now. It's late Saturday night. And yeah, I've been listening to some music. And Dolly, you've been watching the Hey, Dolly, you got a little something on your beak there. Put your head around again. You had a little feather stuck to your beak. Oh, that was funny. Well, it's only funny if it's still stuck there when you turn your head around. Dolly, Dolly, Dolly. Hey, Dolly, I'm talking to you. What are you doing? Okay, you're having a wash under the other arm. Sorry, under the other wing. Hey, Dolly, you right there? You had a little feather stuck in your mouth. You obviously went and spat that out. No worries, we'll clean that up. Not a problem. Oh, the good people love you, Dolly, but I think that sound is a bit loud. How's about we go squawk, 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 like real quietly? I know this is your language. Yeah, that's right. The good people do like to say hello. I don't know if the good people. Sorry, Dolly. I don't know about it, you being loud though. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, good people. They all say hello, Dolly. And they say hello to me too, your nanny. And it's very lovely. It's really nice. Oops. Yes. Yeah. He's saying yeah. Yeah. It is nice. Do you want to say goodnight now? Because we've been on for a while. It's Saturday night, and we already had a little chat earlier. So you will be wanting to go to sleep soon, Dolly. And cover you up. Yeah, and you could say goodnight to the good people. You can have a sleep. Sounds like a plan. All right, well, we'll do that. We'll say goodnight, good people. Yeah, take care and stay safe. Well, Dolly sends those sentiments as well while she's having a scratch. It's like the other day, she just fell asleep, and it was like, okay, well, obviously before she goes to sleep, she'll have this little ritual. She's already done most of it where she'll clean herself. Oh, okay. Being a little loud. Maybe you want to just be. Oh, that that's so sweet, Dolly. I don't know about the gecko. Pretty, yeah, pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yes, you are. Wow, thank you, Dolly. Whoa. Oh, what's that when you say that? Oh, fair enough. I understand. Gecko? Oh, that's so cute, Dolly. I thought you were going to be a magpie for a moment then. So, a few different words you're saying there. I don't. Fine. Yeah. Hello. Yes, you are, pretty girl. Yeah, you're a pretty girl, Dolly. I love you. Love you, Dolly. Oh, kiss. Kiss. Kisses. Maybe try peekaboo as well. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, that's an exciting story. I know. It's been a bit quiet outside with the birds, hasn't it? You know, Dolly, sweetie. Okay, it's a magpie. Yeah, magpie. When you do a magpie, that's pretty good. Okay. Well, thank you, Dolly, for those new words. I'll listen back and understand probably. Because that's what usually happens. I'll watch back and I go, oh, I heard that too, Dolly. I don't know what that was. It's a high pitched sound of something, like a beep. I have no idea, Dolly. You heard it, I heard it. I don't know where it come from. You right? That's weird. Phone's going out if I haven't moved the phone. I'm trying to balance it here. Oh, good morning. Dolly's just been, good afternoon, I should say. Dolly's just been talking, haven't you, Dolly? She had a big story to tell. Oh, we heard a little beep, high-pitched beep. That must be... That's Chevy saying good morning to her mummy. Yep, she probably wants to tell you that she's had lots of treats in her bowl. She's had chicken, as well as some biscuit, doggy bickies. And Dolly was just having a little bit of a chat while she was watching TV. And we're just recording her. Aren't we? Me and myself and I. Are we going to say goodnight now, Dolly? You've had a big chat, a big talk. You must be exhausted. And we're going on 11 minutes. That's a long time.
Hi, Dolly.
Hi, Dolly. Oh, let's go upside down, Dolly. Oh, that's her new toy over in the corner there, which she's starting to play with. It's got like all bits of paper, like shredded paper of different colours. And that's really good. At first she was a bit frightened. She was like, what's these colours, man? Like, hey, don't turn my big cage into it. There's another one over there, I think, into a big gigantic disco. So now she's enjoying her new toys. Oh, she's home. Peekaboo. That's our new one. Peekaboo. Oh, look, I've disappeared. Magically, peekaboo. Here I am, Dolly. Am I a tripper? See how her legs are spread? One of her legs is on the cage, and the other one is actually over there on that hanging thing. So if I can get closer without her being a carry-on, you can see how she's doing the splits. It's really funny. Like there's one leg over there, there's one leg there. Oh, you're a gorgeous girl, aren't you, Dolly? Yeah, that must feel good. So sometimes she'll do the old flamingo where she'll hide one leg up. Oh, this is what we're going to get used to, hey Dolly, is the camera. So I've come close by, and because I've got the camera here, she's like, ooh, a little camera shy. And you're doing that with your head. I mean, talk about, like, how clever are you, Dolly, with your head? Oh, see? Now this is cranky Dolly. This is the Dolly we don't really want you to see too much. So I'm just going to go back. Because I've gotten too close to the phone. So when she goes squeak, squeak real loud and does that, sometimes that means she's got the poops. Upside down, Dolly. Upside down and then does a 180 with her head. I mean, like that's just too clever, Dolly. All right, we'll say goodbye and thanks, guys, and love to all. And again, have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now. Love from sunny Queensland, Australia.